Hey everyone, Neil Carlson here at, about 5:40 a.m. on a Thursday. I'm on Highway 2, leaving Crookston into Grand Forks. We've got a blizzard warning up and down the valley on either side of the river, on the North Dakota and here on the Minnesota side. If you've got to make a commute east-west, north-south in the Northern Valley today, you're going to run into blowing snow. Give you a little better look. We've got a shelter belt blocking the road here. Show you what it looks like in open country in just a bit. A high today of only 5 degrees. So with that blowing wind, we once again have dangerously cold wind chills. And streets that were all plowed are once again a mess. Visibility not that great. We're starting to get some drifts, ground drifting on Highway 2 here. Go up just a bit farther because this is still the road is being blocked by a shelter belt here, so you're not going to get the full effect of what the road conditions are like. Just up at this intersection, heading west into East Grand Forks at the bypass road. Okay, now we're going to get out in open country. Take a look at the road. Visibility is already down quite a bit. Again, as I said, out of Grand Forks, sustained winds at 24, gusts at 35. So, not that great of road conditions. If you've got to make that commute to work this morning, it's doable, but visibility is cut down quite a bit. Take her slow, arrive safe. Covering the Northern Valley, I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.TV.